Hello everybody and welcome to Game Dev A. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel I want to make a road progress for me from indie developer to starting indie developer. No? Okay, listen up. I want to make this a project road for me to see how long it takes for me to become a normal indie developer, from starting indie developer to normal indie developer. From writing codes with internet to writing codes without internet. And I'm gonna show you the ways how I'm gonna learn it, and I hope you guys will learn with me a little bit. The reason I'm saying this is I think learning game development is hard, but it's really fun to do though. You can do it on several ways. The way that I start learning is with Udemy. It's not something I like to say that I'm learning from the internet or something else by a teacher, because normally I will learn myself in front of the computer with Google or just the YouTube tutorials, and not separate like a teacher that will learn you stuff to do stuff. But I did though. I did a Udemy course, game developing 2D for beginners. I already bought the 3D developing for beginners, and when I'm done with the 2D part I will start the 3D part. But I thought, what's the easier way to learn? And I thought, like, just Google what you need, read the code and try to understand the code. If you don't understand some parts of the code, you just Google it. And I thought maybe it's a better way to do it together with other people that have the same problem. Learning from a teacher, that's really hard to concentrate at the part that they want you to learn, instead of doing the things that you want to learn by yourself. Like if you want to build a mobile game, what type of mobile game, you Google the parts that you need and how you need to build it. So that's what we're gonna do on this YouTube channel. We're gonna think about a project and what are we gonna to do and how we're gonna build it, and build up our script library, because it's really basically the best thing to do in game development. What I've learned is build up your library. I've built up a little library on 3D games, and I'm not gonna use them on this YouTube project. On this YouTube project we're gonna build our own library. The library that I'm gonna use in the future on YouTube projects and on other YouTube projects or other projects at the whole same things that I'm gonna try. How are we gonna start this is really simple. We're gonna start small. We're gonna make a mobile game that's easy to play and easy to publish. It's just like Flappy Birds or other rage games that you really want to get high scores at, but you cannot because, hey, it's sometimes a little bit hard. But it's an easy one because you only need a high score, you only need a character, and you need a level. And as long as you have those 3 points, you have your first game. And that's why we're gonna start small. And that's why we're gonna build something like that, like Flappy Bird, but in our own thoughts. So the first thing, if you guys are willing here to learn with me, is start up your notepad in... Sorry that my computer is on Dutch. I really hate it at the moment too, but there's no other no other thing to have with it at the moment. Just open your notepad. It's Kladblok for me, so you learn a little bit Dutch. Notepad is Kladblok in the Dutch. So my notepad is Kladblok in Dutch. Hey, so you learned your first thing. A very good point to learn here. This is not a learning YouTube. This is a together we learn. Not like I will learn you stuff, but I learned you a word there. Oh, just for the information, my name is Adrian. I'm 27 years old. It's in the description too, and on my channel information. And I want to learn game development, and I want to learn it together with you. And this is what this YouTube is gonna be all about. I'm gonna upload once a week. Every, let's say, it's today Thursday, right? Yes, every Thursday around 8 o'clock p.m. Central Europe time. So Paris, Dutch, everything. So you guys know, around 8 o'clock. And you can see now it's Thursday, and I'm creating this at this moment. I'm trying to make this a less at least editable videos that there is, so I can learn to speak better English and to make the videos more compact without editing. Okay, I hope you understand. Great. So the first thing what we're gonna do as a developer that I've learned is to make a notepad. So what you wanna make, like YouTube project mobile, we're gonna call it. And this is what you can call your new one. And you need to think about, do you want to build a 2D or 3D? I think it's going to be easier for us to build a 2D game, to make a simple layout, and it's going to be a left scroller. So 2D game, and it's going to be a right scroller. So the character will automatically move right, I think, and you need to adjust the height or position or whatsoever. But it's gonna be a right scroller, so you can walk right, or maybe you can walk left too. So what do we need for you guys? Download, if you're gonna do this the same with me, BlueStack. It's the easiest way to try your game in real time without having problems, because I don't know the way yet to try it on Unity, the mobile controls. I think I need to download stuff for that. So now we have the YouTube project mobile. It's gonna be a 2D and it's gonna be a right scroller, easy as that. And we're gonna I'm just gonna call it what you want. YouTube. What is he starting at the moment? I think he's starting a project of mine. But that doesn't matter. So it's gonna be YouTube project mobile. So that's the project name, and we're gonna make a the name of the game, the art style. We're gonna make it together. So I will ask you guys. So what do you want to see in the game? So that's what I'm asking now, though. My question of the day. I'm gonna ask this every week, and maybe twice a week if I upload. If I upload twice, it's every Thursday and Sunday. So you have those 2 dates, okay? So my question for you for this time is, what do you want to see in this game? What do you want me to build? And remember, it's going to be a 2D game, and it's going to be a right scroller. It's going to scroll right side or left side. It's going to be a side scroller. Let's change this, side scroller, and maybe it's going to be a... Just keep it the side scroller. So YouTube project mobile, 2D game and create. So your thing is, my question is, what do we want to make the theme of the game? What do we need to add? The character, the art style. What are we gonna to do? If there are people watching already, though. If not, I love you. And if there are a lot of people watching and you are interested in this game development way, so how I'm gonna learn game development, tell me, and we will build together. I swear to God, we will do this every week. If there's potential, even if there's only 5 people watching and 5 people commenting, I will do this. I will love it, and we will make this game in a month or 2 time. We will build this game, this mobile game. For today, though, we're gonna upload Sunday too, because this is our introduction video. I don't want to make this too long, because this YouTube channel is new. I want you to be here to create stuff with me and to do stuff and to learn stuff and how I'm learning. So every video normally is gonna be around 10 to 30 minutes to what I'm doing and what the hell, how I'm learning it, with edits of course within it, but I'm not gonna edit the parts in how I'm learning it and how I'm explaining it. This video too is gonna be a little bit edited and a little bit not, but hey, what the heck, right? So it's already on phone HD, but you can make it otherwise too. There are like you can here go to build settings. For the mobile, if you're gonna build a mobile game, this is very, very important to do first, because we're gonna build it on Android, of course. So you're gonna say switch platform. It will compile everything, and you can make the displays there without you need to do anything else. It's gonna help you really a lot. So switch it already to Android, to the build settings. Go to. I will show you in a second how you need to do that. I will cut after this, and I will see you in a few. Now you can set your landscape modes on your phone. My advice is just put it on 16:9. It's like 9:16, but almost for every phone it's 9:16 or 9:18. But we're gonna do 9:16. It will adjust to the phone itself, though. If we then. Okay, sorry. Okay, welcome back. It's done switching with that stuff. You can close down now that part of the build, and now you can change your portrait. It will stand or something on this ones, but put it on 69 portrait. I think that's the best way to do it. Or if you want to build it landscape, we can do that too, like this. It will be a side scroller, but I'm thinking, yeah, wait, let's make it a landscape mode. But which landscape will we do? This one or this one? Yeah, let's do this one. And so we can build up our level, our character and stuff. How are we gonna make that? Yeah. So it's gonna be very different for you guys to build some stuff that you want to make. But this is how we start. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's build ourselves some games. I hope in the future that I'm more understanding in the games, that it will stop being a I'm learning game developing YouTube channel to I'm a game developer YouTube channel. Challenge me, or we're gonna do a game jam, or some other stuff. And this is what I really want to do. I really love games, and I really love to make the games. How I tried it on Unreal Engine already a few years ago, and now I'm actively learning on Unity. On the end, I want to say thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press that like button, and if you really enjoyed it and you want to see more, press that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload next, press that notification bell. And I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.